Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make a simple Mangalorean home style fish meal. This usually includes some boiled rice, a vegetable as a side dish, some dry fish chutney and fish gravy. So let's begin. The fish I have used is ladyfish, also known as carne. It's a sea fish. I have taken 600 grams. Add some salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Marinate the fish and set it aside. Now for the masala preparation, take a blender jar. To it add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 4 big garlic cloves. If it's small, you can use 6 to 8. Half onion, small to medium size. Tamarind of a coin size. Add a pinch of methi seeds. You need to dry roast it before you add it to the blender. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 10 dry red Badgi chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add 1 cup of water and grind this into a fine paste. I've taken a clay pot. To it add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add half medium to small onion. Saute this until it changes color. Once it's slightly golden brown, time to add the ground masala paste. Saute this masala for just 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1.5 to 2 cups of water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. You may do it as required. Add some salt to taste. Cover and let the gravy boil. To the boiling gravy, add the marinated fish. Cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not use a spoon to mix. The fish curry is now ready. For best results, serve it after 1 to 2 hours. This fish curry can be served with some boiled rice or dosas or rice dumplings. The next recipe is broccoli stir fry, a quick side dish. To a thick bottom kadai, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 5 garlic pods chopped, 1 green chilli, onion 1 medium size, saute the onion until it slightly changes color or becomes soft. To this, add a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Now the onion has changed color. To this, add washed and soaked broccoli. This is about 300 grams. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Add some salt to taste. Mix well and cook for about 2 more minutes. It's almost cooked now. Try to retain the green color of the broccoli and a slight crunch. Do not cook it until it's too soft. Now add a tablespoon of fresh grated coconut. It's completely optional. Mix well and your broccoli stir fry is ready to serve. The link for the rice and dry chutney is given in the description box as well as in the iCard on the top right side. If you loved watching this video, do subscribe to my channel and keep watching Home Food Jovita Naruna. Thanks for watching.